Assalamu alaikum and good evening. I'm Vignesh Aier from Metito. We are honored to be in Kazakhstan. We are a water and wastewater treatment international contractor doing treatment plants the world over. Over the last 4 years, we have set up an office in Kazakhstan to handle the growing market of water and wastewater treatment. Thanks to Kazakh Invest, this made it our dream possible as a reality. Kazakh Invest was so closely following up with Metito and was very instrumental in, first of all, signing of MOUs in UAE, 2 times, one in 2021 in Abu Dhabi, in 2022 in Dubai. And this paved a strong foundation for the Metito group to come into Kazakhstan and focus to grow its technological expertise the world over, to come in, invest, and grow the Kazakhstan market and to share our worldwide experience. Thank you again, Kazakh Invest. Thank you. Salam.